All right. So you can see my screen?
Yep.
All right. So this strategy, it's a relatively easy strategy. The only thing that I look for, it's just I look on the 1 minute time frame only. We're going to play the day trades right now until, of course, everything gets settled with all this commotion, confusion that's going on. But what we're going to do is use the 1 minute time frame only for day trading right now. We're not going to look at anything else. I don't even want to look at anything prior. Like tonight, usually, you know, tonight I would chart a particular ticker and tell you guys, hey, this is what we're going to do first thing in the morning or after a certain time frame. And of course, it's not going our way anymore because of the market manipulation on certain stocks. And I'm seeing it like the tech stocks, the the SPYs and the Apples and the Amazons and so forth like that, the AMDs, Nvidia, even with financial and EV, a lot of stuff is not going our way, even when we chart it right. Okay, so here's the let me see, let's go to eBay for a minute. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Where's my eBay? Take everything out. Okay, so I'm going to use this strategy. You're only going to use the 1 minute time frame to get in and out of a play. How I do this, first of all, I don't really even look at the direction of the market anymore because it can fluctuate. As you can see, it can fluctuate a lot within 15, 20 minutes. And I hate that. And of course, because usually within the first hour, you would see a directional trend. But now, as you can see, everything is topsy-turvy all the time right now. There's a lot of pullbacks. A lot of people getting scared. A lot of people doing crap. I don't even want to see this anymore. So what I want to do is the strategy is number one, at open at 9:30. And I want to make it quick as possible because I know a lot of people got some things to do today. And we'll go over it. Whoever needs help, we can still go over it probably tomorrow or even over the weekend. But the strategy is simple. At 9:30, I look at that first candlestick. And this is on a Heikin Ashi chart, okay? I look at the first candlestick, that 9:30 candlestick right here. So this would be the open candlestick. Everything is a 1 minute chart, so everything is minute candlestick. So I look at this particular candlestick. And what I do here is I set a support and resistance on this, all right? So usually for me, I would mark it as that candlestick, that 9:30 candlestick. Then I will set a quick support and resistance on this. All right. Then still on the minute time frame, I won't enter a trade or look at anything until 10 a.m. And of course, you know why, because between 9:30 and 10, that's when a lot of people sell, a lot of volatility in the stock market in those the first 30 minutes. Excuse me. So what I would do is I would go to 10 a.m. This is the 10 a.m. Candlestick. I would do the same thing as I did with the 9:30 candlestick. I would go ahead and mark it, then set a support and resistance on this. That is it. Then the next step, I would see if any candlestick. Now this is the 10 o'clock one here. We already set this up because we know what type of direction that it may go to. But to confirm the direction, as you can see, it went up, and of course by 10:15, 10:14, it went back down. Within 15 minutes, you would have lost a lot of money. So what I did at 10 a.m. after everything has died down, I set my support and resistance, and I wait for either a break in resistance or a break in support to enter a play. All right. And I do not go into a play until after the third, not two anymore, but the third candlestick, whatever direction that it's going in, the third candlestick, that's when we enter a play, whether it's puts or calls. All right. So if I looked at this here and I watched the third candlestick, and it has to be a complete candlestick. Now this is half. So I would just, actually this one would do this one and then this one. So we would enter right here. So we would enter around 10:05. It took 5 minutes for us to get a confirmation. Okay. Then we would only play that particular play for only between no more than 15 minutes. No more than 15 minutes. And after this video, you can go back and check any ticker that you have in your watch list after 10:15 or 10:20, it actually reverses to whatever direction the opposite that we're playing. And let me show you. So if we would go here, enter at 10:05, we would look around 10:20 to exit with some type of profit. So that right there, after my confirmation, we would enter here and we would go, keep going, keep going. So this is 10:17, and you see right there, 10:18, 10:19, and 10:20, it reversed on us just like that within 15 minutes. So we entered here. We entered here, and 10:20, we would exit here on a put. So we would at least make at least 15 to 20% of profit within that 15-minute time frame. Okay. After that, that's it, because the market, and let me show you what the market looks like every minute until closing today. So of course, this is the resistance. This is the open and close. This is the open candle. This is the candle at 10 a.m. And this is the confirmation of, as far as I set my support and resistance. This was the confirmation that it went under the support, and we enter on the third candlestick, second or third. I would say third, but a lot of people might enter on the second, depending how large that second candlestick is. Okay, so of course, you know, the larger the candlestick, the bigger the momentum in that particular direction. Okay, so of course we would enter here. 15 minutes later, we would exit here with at least 15 to 20% profit, just like that. So the rest of the day looks like this. Okay, it went up and it went up. So we would be stomped out if we would stayed in this particular play. All right, so like I said, the first 15 minutes, and as you can see here, that's money. 15, 20 minutes, that's money. Okay, now let me show you how good it is. Somebody, Wilma, give me a ticker.
Ooh, that's been going up and down.
No. Just give me a ticker that you like. It doesn't matter.
Oh, NVIDIA is fine.
NVIDIA, sure thing. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what happened today. All right, so this is NVIDIA on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go for 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, 9:30. So this would be our 9:30 candlestick. Okay. First thing, again, you mark it as a reference. Then you set a level, support and resistance. Okay. Next thing you do, you wait 30 minutes. You won't enter a play until 30 minutes, just for confirmation. Yes, if we probably would have entered a play here and so forth, yeah, we would have made money. But of course, we probably would have got stopped out by 9:45, 9:50 on a quick reversal. So you just want confirmation. We're going to go to in all plays right now with some type of confirmation. We don't want to go blind anymore, because we're saying, oh, it's moving. Okay, NVIDIA is moving. Let's get into it. Yeah, it moved for like 5 minutes, and all of a sudden, boom, it reversed on us. And we've been there. You know, we've been there where I saw somebody, or even you, Wilma, or anybody say, oh man, NVIDIA or Nike's moving. We get into Nike. And 5 minutes, bam, we out, stopped out. So we're not going to do that anymore. Yeah, it's moving, but yet we still want some type of confirmation. Bottom line. All right. So we're going to go 10 o'clock a candlestick. So we're going to go to 10 o'clock. This is 10 right here. So we're going to mark it just like the 9:30. Mark it. We're going to set a support and resistance. That's it. Then we wait. We wait for 3 candlesticks to either break through the support, break through the resistance, or 3 candlesticks break through the support. Here we go. So our first one, it was doing some consolidation within the first 8-9 minutes. And here, we saw this, then we'll go right here. So this will be our entry. Either here or here would be our entry. I would probably go here, of course. This is the longer one, so I would probably enter here. So let's say we enter right here. All right, at 290, 297.10. Let me write that down. So we entered at 297.10. Let's see what the next 15 minutes will hold for us. So we entered at 10:12. So about what, 10?
And I'm sorry, you're entering as a put.
Yes.
Okay.
Remember,
Just making
anything,
sure.
right? Anything that's above here, we entering as a call. The 3 candlesticks entering as a call, and then of course 3 red candlesticks is a put. So we
Right.
entered at 10:12. So we're going to wait 15. We're going to stay in the play for 15 minutes until 27. Okay, so we're going to see what happens. Okay, so we entered here. Okay, money. We're in the green. We're in the green. We're in the green. Slight pullback. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. It went up just a tad bit. Okay, okay. And 10:27 right here. Where is it? 10:27. We would exit right here. So we entered at $297.10. We exit around 295.66. So in 15 minutes, that was around $2 difference. So that right there, even with NVIDIA, you're looking at least a 0.75% or even 1% difference. So even right there, we still would have made money. We still would have made money. Just like that, within 15 minutes. This is how confident that I am with this particular strategy. Now, Eldora, you give me a ticker. Let's see.
AMD.
AMD. Okay, so now we 2 for 2 now. Let's see. Let's go to AMD. AMD's on my watch list. Perfect. All right, so let's go to 9:30. Where's 9:30? Bam. Okay, 9:30. This is our 9:30 candlestick. What we do here, again, we mark it, set our support and resistance. That is it. Don't have to worry about it. Now, we wait until 10 a.m. Keep going, keep going. Bam, this is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Where is it? Right here. So this is our 10 a.m. candlestick. What we do again, set a slight support and resistance, and we wait. We wait for the 3rd candlestick to either break the resistance and go long for a call, or 3 candlesticks down, red, or to go short for a put. So we wait. I don't care. Even if we wait until 11:30, it doesn't matter. We wait for that confirmation. We don't go in blindly. Yeah, we could have got in here, but who knows? AMD would have seen, you see this here? This would have been a reversal signal right here, and we would have been stomped out thinking we're scared to go up, and we would have just lost right here. So we would have made some money, but still, we probably would have been stomped out right here. So we don't want that to happen. So at 10 o'clock, we wait. We set our support and resistance real quick levels, and we wait for either 3 up or 3 down. So let's see what happened if we would have got into this play right here. So we would have got in 3rd candlestick right here. So at 10:14, 3rd candlestick confirmation. we would have got in right here at, what is it, 149, let's say 149.57. All right, so that's what, 10:14, 15 minutes is what, 10:29, right? Let's see what happened at 10:29. 10:27, 28, 29. So this is 29 right here. So we got in again at what, 149.57. We would have came out 15 minutes later at 140, around 148.70. Roughly what, $1 and some change. So that would have been probably a 10-15% profit right there. Just like that. And we would have gone on to the next. So now we're 3 for 3. You see how good this strategy is so far? It's not 100%. Don't get me wrong. It's not 100%. But the probability of us making money between 10 a.m. to 10:15 or 10:12 or whenever we see that confirmation, we go in, the probability of us winning is greater than just going in blindly first thing in the morning. Because we don't know what can happen here between 9:30 and 10 o'clock.
So what are we supposed to do if we're supposed to try to swing trade in this case? That's the problem I'm having.
No, right now, I don't want to try to do that right now because of the manipulation that's going on. We can still do some swing trades. I am still going to post some swing trades, but the ones that want to, right now, we want to get our money back. There's a lot of people that lost a lot of money.
Yes.
Including myself, 9,400 since Monday.
Oof.
I ain't crying, but I know what's going on. Had I said, okay, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, shit, I'm losing money because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm losing money because these excuse my language, these a-holes are manipulating the market to where we can't make any money anymore. So let's see here. See, right now, this looked like a nice downtrend. So let's say if we would have stayed all day in this here, what would have happened? So we probably, yeah, it went topsy-turvy. A lot of us would have got scared right here, where we would have seen that green go up, and no red, just up. So we probably would have got scared right here. So right here, we would have got scared. We entered here, and that right there, we probably would have been even. Right there until about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we probably would have been even. If we'd have stayed, yeah, we could have made some more money. But of course, again, you see how the market is? This is the whole day.
Yeah.
You see how they just fuck us up thinking, okay. Right here, a lot of people would have got in or try to get in. That'd have been good.
Yeah.
And some people say, oh, it's moving or it's moving again. We probably would have got in here. Then we saw this shit. Now we in red. That's it. And you know what? I shouldn't have said for you to get in, Karen, today with Roblox.
Yeah.
I shouldn't. That was my fault.
It was a paper cut. It was a paper cut.
That was my. So when I was making profit, you got in here, and all of a sudden, shit went up.
Well, I was looking at the 3 minute, and it looked okay. So I got in real quick, and then it turned real fast.
It turned, yeah. And then that's when I said, look at the 1 minute only. Don't do anything else. But then, of course, I should have just told you to stop or don't do anything yet until I showed you, explained to you how I found that play or why I got into the play like that. So now you know why I got into the play today with Roblox in the put, because I saw that confirmation. I made my money and I got out. And then when I was going out, that's when you said, oh, is it time to get in?
Yeah.
And then without me just looking, because I had some stuff to do around the yard, cut the grass, New Year's coming, family coming over, blah, blah, blah. So I wasn't really paying attention. And I was on my phone outside, so I wasn't really in front of my computer. So that was my fault. I even send you the money, whatever you lost. That's not a problem.
That was like $15.
Okay, send me your Cash App or Zelle. I'll send you $100.
Oh,
you're funny.
So that's no problem.
So I have a question.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay, so you're saying at 10:30. So, I mean, how many can you watch at one time? So am I just watching one ticker? And then what happens after the 15 minutes? You're
would
done
sug-
for the day?
Yes.
Does it recycle? Do you start
No,
another
no, no, no.
15
I'm
minutes?
done. Right now, coming into the new year, there's going to be a lot of stuff going on because right now a lot of people are selling off to save their ass in taxes. Okay.
Mhm.
Then there's a lot of people that's going to come in the market, but we don't know what's going on. We can't foresee the future. We can only do probabilities. And that's what I do. I do probabilities. I cannot see the future of what the stock or what can happen with the stock, not as of yet, until the market basically stabilizes itself. Because right now the market is not stabilized. It is not. One day we're in the red, next day we're in the green. No, it's supposed to be at least, especially when we swing trade, it's supposed to be at least 2 to 3 days. Wilma, remember when we started? We used to make money in there. We would know for a fact Friday, we would sell before Friday. So we would,
Mhm.
the
That's what
first
you were
4
saying.
days, hell yeah.
Yeah.
The first 4 days, it would just be one direction. And we know for a fact to sell before Friday. Actually, Thursday before 4 o'clock, we would sell all our contracts in the money.
Yeah.
Money. And I think the last 4 or 5 months, it's been crazy.
Yeah.
It's been up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
All
We
the
don't know
swings
what's
that
gonna
I've had
happen
are just like they seem like they're okay for a little while, and then all of a sudden they're just all this choppiness is just
Yeah.
eating the profit.
Monday, it was a ton of volume out of nowhere. It was so
Yeah.
much volume. Then Tuesday, it was just like not even
Nothing.
nearly half. Nothing. Nobody was trading. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah.
So what to your question, Eldora, I would just pick 2. I would watch 2 stocks only, make money off of them both. That's it. Just 2 stocks.
Okay.
Just 2 stocks. And I'm going to call 1 or 2 stocks. I think I'm going to do this only for January to see what we can make back, because you
Just
guys,
scalp.
you guys, I want you guys to make money. I don't want you guys to be like, oh man, what am I doing? What am I doing? Is this guy, no, it's not us, because I know Wilma could chart. I know Eldora could chart, and I know you can chart, Cam, because you showed me some stuff and I confirmed it with you. So
Yeah.
I know you guys can chart. It is not you guys, it is the freaking market.
Yeah.
It is the
Yeah.
manipulation that's going on with these institutions, with these hedgers that want to fuck us up.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't want to stay long in a trade anymore. I just want to make some type of profit. If it's 10%, 20%, and if we can do that twice a day for 30 days, or I'm sorry, for a month, for 20 days, I'm good with it.
Right.
Okay. If we can have at least out of the 20 days, have at least 1 or 2, because we're going to have losing days.
Oh yeah.
That's a given. If we can have our winning rate to at least 60 to 70%, that's beautiful. So that's what we're going to do. And to answer again your question, Adora, if you're confident enough, I will go all in on one. So if you have 5,000, I'll do 5,000. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to do 10 contracts, I'll do 10 contracts.
Okay.
You see?
Just
So
for that quick
I don't
play.
want you, I don't want us to go find 10, 20 stocks and look at them.
Yeah.
You just have, remember, this is a minute chart. So you have 60 seconds.
Yeah.
You have 60 seconds to decipher this particular chart and to go in.
You know what I was doing before when all the choppiness started? I was looking at like SPY, right? Like,
Mhm.
and I had, when I was scalping that, I would put on my EMA lines, I would do a 5 and a 15,
Mhm.
and I would watch the 3-minute. And whenever I saw the 5 cross the 15, I would look for a confirmation of a candle closing above that cross, and then I would go in.
Right. Okay.
And
That's
then
good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. All
Now,
right.
here's the situation why I would only, with this strategy, I would only do stock only. As you know, SPY is an ETF.
Right.
So SPY is accumulation of this and plus 100 more, 500 more stocks.
Yep.
So matter of fact, let's go to SPY right now. SPY would jitter like crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, this is a 1 minute chart. SPY is all over the freaking place. So
Mhm. And it
This
only
one-
moves with volume. That's the
yeah,
only way it moves.
Yeah.
Today it had no volume, so it was just stagnant.
Yep.
so yeah, this is 9:30 right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And actually, SPY, we probably would have made some money. Now, see, here's the messed up thing. Okay.
How
So
fast it moves. Yeah.
yeah, so this is the 9:30, and I charted it earlier. This is the 9:30. All right, I charted it. So this is the 10 o'clock one.
Mm-hmm.
I waited. Remember the three, I waited for the 3 confirmation. Okay. This is the 3rd confirmation here. So if I would have went in right here,
Yeah, you're already at the bottom of the
Would have
move.
lost.
Yeah.
okay. Now that's what 10:15. By 10:30,
Yep.
this is what it would have been. I would have lost.
Mhm.
But wait a minute, you didn't chart the 10, you didn't do your support and resistance for
At
the
night.
10:30.
Right here. Yeah, it's still close, but yet even if I would have went here, we still would have probably either lost. Even
You
here,
gotta watch it real tight. Yeah.
yeah, even here, if I would have went in here, we either lost or break even. If we would have
Oh,
went
I
in here,
see. Yeah,
we would have
Yeah.
lost because this is the 15-minute window that we have to play. So if we would have
Got
got in here, it would have been
Mhm.
even.
yeah.
If we got in here, we would have lost. But SPY, I wouldn't do SPY like this.
Right.
You did it the right way. You know, look at the 5 or 15-minute time frame
Mm-hmm.
just to swing in for the rest of the day. But what I would use, which EMAs you use?
5 and 15
Okay,
on like a 3 or a 5 minute chart and watch it.
all right. Take that out.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to use the 20 and the 50.
Okay.
Here's the reason why. The 20 and the 50 is actually the average, okay?
Yep.
And this acts like, of course, with the, let me put the 5 and the 15 on it, and let me show you the difference. What you had, the 5 and the 15, you said?
Yeah, 5 and 15.
Let's see if I can bring up 515 EMA. Let me do this real quick. Five, 15. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. Oh, they won't go away? Okay. So
What does EMA stand for?
Exponential moving average.
Oh, okay.
so we'll leave the first 2 here. Thank you, Karen.
Yeah.
All right, so here's why I wouldn't really do it, because it's too close. Let me
Mm-hmm.
so it's too close, and you're thinking, okay, right here, you're thinking to bail out because of course it's under the EMA.
Yep.
So the 20, the 20 and the 50, this really, it's a bounce. It's like a support and resistance.
Okay.
This is a major support and resistance. This is the average, the 20, the 50,
Yeah.
and the 200. If you want to go like, swinging until next month or so forth, you
Yeah.
use the 200.
No, the 5 and the 15 I would just do for like a scalp.
Okay. Even with the scalp, change it.
Yeah. Okay.
Just for, let's say, for a day or so to see the difference.
Okay.
You're going to see the difference because with the 20 and the 50 acts like the support and resistance, and if it will always bounce off the 20 if it's on an uptrend, so you can
Okay.
stay in the play longer.
Yeah.
All right, because your 15,
Yeah.
actually your 15, I was right here. Your 15, you would have stopped out right here
Right.
at your 15,
Yep.
but that 20 made you stay a little bit longer because it bounced, and of course that was a pullback real quick. And of course, after that pullback, it went up. This is the 5-minute chart. So it would have been a
Right.
slight pullback and it went up. Slight pullback, went up, slight pullback, and went up. But you're
Right.
under the 20, so you know that this is an uptrend. So you would have stayed in the play a little longer.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so try that. That's why I like that. I understand some of them are good for certain things,
Sure.
but try the 5 and I'm sorry, the 20 and the 50, and you will
Okay.
see the difference on how long you will stay in the play.
Okay.
All right. But if with the 1 minute, that's obsolete. This doesn't count. With the 1 minute, we don't use any type of EMAs
Right.
or SMAs. The only thing that we do, I hate when this happens. The only thing that I do, I set that support and resistance, and if it goes above or below after the third candlestick, we go on for 15 minutes, profit, and get out. That's it. So we're going to try to get our money back. Bottom line, we're going to do that because I've seen it for the past 2 weeks, and I had to come up with another strategy. So I really don't sleep. My girl, my lady, she's like, go ahead. I was like, but look, I got over 300 people that I'm said, what about me? But well, if I don't make the money, you don't get nothing. They understand after that. Okay.
No, I like this. I like this approach though, like especially the way the market's been going like that.
Oh yeah. And it's very volatile. You see the first 30 minutes, I wouldn't even play it that much.
Yep.
I would wait till it died down. And of course it died down, and then of course it would just basically play out itself. So if we can get in the first 15 minutes, fine. But if we see some more dips, if we can stay in a little longer, fine. But I would suggest no more than 15 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't want anybody to say, oh, I had a red day. No.
I'd probably get out on that third green candle, just take whatever profit I can.
Yeah. If we can see the second, maybe all you want to see. Let me go back to the chart. All you want
or leave one runner and just see what happens.
Yeah.
You can, yes. That's
Because
good
you're going
too.
to be buying multiples because
That's true.
you're not trading a lot, just
Absolutely.
trade like 2, yeah.
Absolutely. But if it's under the matter of fact, if you're going to do that, then this will come into play. And the EMAs will come, the moving averages will come into play.
Okay.
So we would just wait. Of course, anything that's under it is a downtrend. Anything that's over it is an uptrend. But we still have to, and I would go as far as probably look at the 5 to see what the trend is, or the 3 to see what type of trend, a continuation trend. If it's a continuation trend, this is a 930. If this is a continue, let's go to 10. Let's go back to 10. December 28th, no, the 29th. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes. So if oh no, see, we would have gotten stopped out.
Yeah.
Right here, we would have got stomped out. We wanted to go down, and obviously SPY didn't do anything after. You see how flaky SPY is?
Yeah.
Good run, and then all of a sudden the shit just you see that big? That mean a lot of people came in. You see that?
Yeah.
See that shit? It's not supposed to be like that on a daily basis. No, it's supposed to be like this.
Right.
Slowly but gradually, and all of a sudden, big dips, big jumps. That's not supposed to happen. This is when whales are coming in like crazy. This is
I've been seeing that on SPY like the past couple of months. You just see those drops, and it's like
they come in and out. So tomorrow, let's see. Let's do at least no more than 2 contracts. Let's try it out because of course tomorrow's the last of the year. Anything can happen.
Right.
Anything can happen. So 1 or 2 contracts. That's it. Don't go gusto until we see our 60 to 70% win rate that we know for a fact this is a confident strategy, which I know of because all of y'all gave me different tickers and the same result happened. Once we charted, once we set it, it happened. The first 15 minutes of us entering that play. After that, get out and relax for the day. And chart another one, maybe for tomorrow, maybe for a swing. We can chart swings for the next couple of days. We can do both. We can set swings up, and then day trades, we can just get in and get out, with money. So 2 contracts, look at 2 tickers only. Don't go overboard like me, because I'm all over the place. I'll look at here. People ask me, hey, what about this? I got to go here, look at this. Oh, what about this? Oh, shit, I got to go here, look at this. Don't be like me. Just concentrate on 2 tickers. And I think MU, Eldora, I want you to, where's MU? MU's been doing really good. I think you should try MU, because MU has been surpassing my strategies. Now it's in a consolidation period, right? Let me do this hour. Yeah, it's still in a consolidation period, so it's definitely on an uptrend. So we're definitely going to look for a nice uptrend by next year. The beginning of next year, we're going to look at this bad boy go up. So you can even try this first thing in the morning to see what type of play, what type of money you can get in real quick. Because you know, MU volatility is high. High. Within 2 minutes, you can jump up $90 to $150. Just like that with MU. So definitely, matter of fact, all of us are going to look at MU. All three of us, all four of us are going to look at MU tomorrow, 9:30, then 10 o'clock. We look. We set our support and resistance, and whatever the 3 candles lead to, that's what we're going to play for 15 minutes. All right.
All right. Sounds good.
Yeah, looks
All right.
good.
Let's rock and roll. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this video and upload it so you guys could watch it tonight or even before market opens, just to get the idea again. And let's rock and roll tomorrow. Let's have at least a green day tomorrow.
Yes.
Let's have it.
Okay, but how are you gonna call it out when you exit? You just gonna say you exit 10,
I would say-
15 minutes?
I would say
Because-
15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Because 15 minutes, it could be 10%, it could be 20%, or even 30% in 15 minutes. We don't know.
So whatever it is at that 15 minutes, just
Get out. Get out.
Okay.
You got to time it. If we get in at 9:50 a.m. tomorrow, then at 10:05 a.m. we get the hell out.
Set your egg timers.
Yeah.
No, just so others would know we're not sitting in a trade.
Yeah. No,
Right.
I'll set it up. We'll set it up. We'll definitely set it up together. But yeah, whoever pulls the trigger first from all of us, just let them know 15 minutes. And
Yeah.
you have to enter within 60 seconds of the post.
Okay.
It has to be 60 seconds because, 1 minute. So you can see what happened in a minute.
Yeah,
People
right.
excuse me. People get in
come
here,
5-10 minutes. Okay.
boom, you're thinking it's an uptrend. And all of a sudden, 2 more minutes, 3 minutes, you're in the red. So we have to time this perfectly for everyone to get in. And matter of fact, I probably won't even call anything. I'll probably just have us just play MU together just to get the feel. And then, we'll probably by next year or next week, actually, we'll be more confident enough with this 1 minute strategy to tell everybody else. So let's make our money back. I know a lot of people are losing money. I just want to make sure that, if I'm not available, I want Wilma to, shoot out the play. I want Karen, I want Eldora to shoot out the play if I'm not available. Or you may be looking at one stock. I'm looking at another stock. Somebody else is looking at another stock, and just call those plays out whenever it's ready. Whenever it's ready.
So I think once you call it, because once you call it, then you just set your timer from there, and then to get out.
Get out. That's it. Everybody has a cell phone with a timer. Just get the hell out.
Yeah.
Once you click buy, 15 minutes from then.
Okay. All right. I'm definitely gonna try it in the morning.
All right.
Yeah.
So you guys are gonna be my snipers. Let's rock and roll.
All right.
And I know, Adore, you gotta wake up early, girl.
Yeah, but you know what? You just made a way where I can go back to sleep in 30 minutes. So like in an hour.
Yeah. Hey, listen.
That sounds good.
Listen, that's how scalpers do it. They work 30 minutes, make $10,000 for the day, and go golfing.
Yeah.
For the rest of the day.
That.
Not a bad way to do it.
Yeah.
They're playing pre-market.
Yeah. They can play pre-market or after. Yeah. So whatever we do, if we can make 1,000 or 1,000 or, if we can make money, period. I don't care what it is. $20, $50, $100. If that accumulates every day, then we're winning.
Yeah. Yeah.
2 contracts now, then the next week, 4 contracts, then the following week, 6 contracts. We just keep, and then we're going to use that house money now. You get it? So
Yeah.
I haven't used my money in like 4 years. So all of this here is house money. So that's what I want our mentality to be. We're gonna make money, put the money that we spent, we lost back in our account, and whatever else is just house money. So if we lose on that day, it's nothing to us.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna start using house money once we get the strategy going and making money, making back our money. All right, so let's rock and roll, guys. So just find your 2 tickets tonight, and we'll rock and roll first thing tomorrow.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome, girl.
All right, you
Have a
guys
nice
have a
day,
good
ladies.
night.
Take
Okay,
care.
bye.
Bye-bye.